How to convert Facebook account to a business page. So if you want to convert your Facebook account to a business page, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and then you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Once you enter the settings, you need to choose, you'll be able to see pages option. And after that, from settings, you will find the added to options. Once you select the option, you'll be able to choose different templates for your page. Then you can choose a business template from here. After selecting the business template, you can click on apply to that on your account and you'll be able to have the business profile. But the other thing what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your account. So go with your Facebook account and not your page, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots icon or the 3-bar icon, and tap on your profile. Once you tap on it, now go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon, and tap on turn on professional mode, and then tap on turn on. And once you turn on your professional mode, you will have the professional dashboard. You can manage the content in one place and you can explore the tools that support your goals. So go with get started and create your professional dashboard, and that's it. That's how you can convert a Facebook profile to a business page. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.